Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe too. You know we cannot attend school due to this coronavirus disease. So we will be taking online classes. Today our topic for discussion is safety measures for COVID-19. Let me introduce you to our male nurse, Mr. Mrityunjay Kha of SRI RAMAKRISHNA ASHRAMA INSTITUTE. Step 1. We must wash our hands with soap and water regularly.
Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5.
Number 2. We must sanitize our hands. Number 3. We should not touch our eyes, nose and mouth. Number 4. We should wear a face mask when we are going out. Please be careful to cover your nose and mouth properly. Number 5. We should use our handkerchief while coughing or sneezing. Number 6. We should avoid gathering in crowded places. The last one, we should keep a social distance of 6 feet while talking to people. Please maintain these safety measures during this COVID-19 period. You will get a PDF along with this video. Learn the matter by heart. Stay safe, take care. Thank you.